Hello world. Welcome to Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Machine countdown begins. 0987654321.
Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series, Python machine learning on the edge using Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 21, and I am going to show you what a joining means in NumPy array. So, guys, it's a pretty simple stuff. I would say it's not that complex. If any of you have worked in SQL database, it should be pretty simple. However, I am going to try my best to simplify as best as I can. All right, so joining means putting contents of two different structures of array in a single array. So there is an array here. We have array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4 in different sets of squared bracket, which I showed you in the earlier lessons, right? So combining those together in a one single structure is called joining. So in SQL we basically join tables based on key, okay, whereas in NumPy we join arrays by axis, x-axis, y-axis, and kind of things. So basically we pass a sequence of array that we want to join to concatenate, okay, with the function. That's the concatenation function which I taught you in the Python basics in Jetson Nano, right? So just recall, go back to that lesson if you forgot. So let me show you with some example, guys, so that you will understand very clearly how this joining in NumPy works. All right, let me log into my Jetson Nano and I'm going to open up the NumPy, the number pi of Python. Alright, I am already logged in and I hope you guys are logged in as well. Okay, now let's take a look at some example, guys. So let's import our beautiful number pi as np, which is NumPy. So import NumPy as np space. Let's create one array. Let's create couple of different arrays, right? Then we will join it together. arr1 equals np dot array, and then a curvy bracket with a square bracket. Let's say 1 2 3. Okay, and then we will create another array arr2 array2 equals np dot array np dot array with a curvy bracket and a square bracket. Let's say 4 5 and 6. All right, now let's try to join this. How do we join this? arr equals np dot concatenate. Can you see that? You can see in the drop down immediately. That's the beauty of Python. And what you're going to concatenate? You need to concatenate array 1. Okay, you need to put two brackets, two curvy brackets, because there are two separate arrays we created, array 1 and array 2. arr1 comma arr2. So these are the two arrays we are going to combine together. Now let's see, let me just make this screen little bigger. Now let's print arr. Okay, now let's try to run this program and let's see what happens. Run Python file in terminal and you are getting a one single array. That's how you join the array, guys. It's as simple as that. It's very simple. Maybe I can show you another example so that you guys are absolutely hands on. Now let's join a 2D array. Okay, so far this example I showed you a single array. Let's join to a two-dimensional array. So how do we do that? Let's probably create from scratch. Import NumPy as NP is already in there, so we don't have to do anything. Let's create NP array1 equals to NP dot array. Okay, and then let's create a 2D array. So we need to put two different square brackets. Okay, and then 1 and 2, and then come out of that and then open the square bracket again, say 3 comma 4. Okay, so we have two different arrays, two-dimensional array. And let's create another 2D array. Array2 equals np dot array, and then curvy bracket and two different square bracket, because we are creating a two-dimensional array. All right, so say 5 and 6, and then come out of the bracket, comma, and then again you need to open the bracket, say 7 comma 8. Okay, now we have two different two-dimensional arrays. Now what we need to do, arr equals np dot concatenate. There you go, concatenate. You got it in the drop down already. All you need to do is select that and then open the bracket twice, the curvy bracket, arr1 comma arr2. Okay, and then you come out of that, comma. Now you need to put the axis, axis equals 1. Okay, that is how you join it. Now you print the arr, that is your array which you are combining with two different two-dimensional arrays. Now let us see what happens if you run this program. Run, right click, run Python file in terminal, and then there you go. You got the arrays joined together, 1 2 5 6 3 4 7 8. So can you see that, guys, the results? This is the way you are able to join the two different two-dimensional arrays together, right? That is how it works. Maybe I can give you another example, but what we can do is, let's add a particular function. So basically, we can add a couple of functions, which I will probably create a different video, I guess, because that's going to be a little lengthy again, and it may not take probably about 10 to 15 minutes to do the proper coding and show it to you appropriately. All right, guys, so that's it for this particular lesson, and I am going to come back to you soon. Bye bye.